Question number 17. The owner of a milk store finds that he sells 980 liters of milk each week at rupees 14 per liter and 1220 liters of milk at rupees 16 per liter, assuming a linear relationship between selling price and demand. How many liters would he sell weekly at rupees 17 per liter? So he sells 918 liters of milk every week at per liter. What is the cost is 14 per liter, and for 1220 liters of milk at rupees 16 per liter. So we have to assuming a linear relationship between selling price and demand. How many liters could he sell weekly at rupees 17 per liter? We have to find it. Okay, is it clear? Question clear? Question we can write. Let y liter milk is sold at rupees x per liter. We can write. Okay, x and y have a linear relationship. Let us take x1 as rupees 14 per liter and y1 as 980 liter. x2 rupees 16 per liter and y2 1220 liters. We get like this: 14 980 and 16 1220, and we can find equation. We have to find equation using the formula. What is the formula? Y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. Okay, let's do the problem. So y minus y1 is how much? 980. Okay, so which is equal to, what is y2 here? y2 is equal to 1220 minus 980 whole divided by what is x2 here? x2 is equal to 16 minus 14 into x minus x1. What is x1 here? 14 here. Okay, then after simplifying we get like this. Okay, we get like this: y minus 980 equals, after simplifying this we get 240. We get 240 whole divided by 2 into x minus 14. Isn't it? So we have to find for value of x. What is x here? If x is equal to 17, what is the value? We have to find it. So we have to transpose this. Y is equal to, we have to write a linear equation. So 240 divided by 2, we get how much? 120 we get, right? 120 into x minus 14. So transpose this to this side, we get 980 we get, isn't it? Okay, which implies y is equal to, remove the bracket. So in here what we have to do? Substitute value x here. So 17 minus 14 we have to substitute here. Okay, plus 980 we have to substitute here. Okay, next step. which implies y equals 120 into 17 minus 14 is equal to 3, right? 3 we have to write, plus 980 we have to write. Okay. So y is equal to, we get y is equal to 120 into 3 we get 360, right? So 360 plus 980 we get. So y is equal to, which implies y is equal to, how much we got? 1340 liters we get. Okay. So y is equal to, after simplifying this we get 1340 liters. So we can say 1340 liters of milk may be sold at rupees 17 per liter, we can say. Question number 18. P of AB is the midpoint of a line segment between the axes. Show that the equation of the line is x by a plus y by b is equal to 2. We have so that point of P is equal to AB. This is the midpoint. Is the midpoint of a line segment. So we have to show that the equation of the line is x by a plus y by b is equal to 2. We have to show that one. Isn't okay? Let's write the solution. Let the line AB makes intercept P, Q on x and y axis respectively. Okay. Now P of AB is the midpoint of AB. This is given. So how will you find the midpoint of AB? So using midpoint, what is midpoint formula? X1 plus X2 by 2, comma, Y1 plus Y2 by 2. This formula here we are using. Then let's look at this picture. See, this is x-axis. This is x-axis. This is y-axis. Isn't it? So here this is the line AB. X intercept is here P and y intercept is Q. Isn't it? The midpoint of this line segment AB is P of AB. So we have to midpoint of AB, we have to find it, isn't it? So how will you find it? So here x1 plus x2 by 2. What is x1 here? Here x1 is P. What is x2 here? P plus 0 whole divided by 2, comma, y1 plus y2 by 2. y1 is 0 plus y2 is how much? Q. Q by 2 we can write. So midpoint we get, isn't it? So we get, which implies, what is P plus 0? P plus 0 is equal to P only. P by 2 we get. P by 2 we get. Comma. Here Q by 2 we get. Okay. So we can write P by 2 is equal to A. We can write x coordinate. See, x coordinate A. A we can write. Then Q by 2. Q by 2 we can write B. Y coordinate we can write. Then next step we can just cross multiply. Just cross multiply, we get P is equal to 2A. P is equal to 2A and Q is equal to 2B. Q is equal to 2B. Okay. So we already know that intercept form. General form intercept form is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Here intercept of AB is equal to here intercept of the line intercept of the line AB is given by what is x intercept here? X intercept is x divided by p plus y divided by q is equal to 1, and x divided by what is the value of p here? 2a, which plus y divided by 2b, okay, which is equal to 1. What we have to show? X by a plus y by b is equal to 2 we have to show, isn't it? So next we have to x by a plus y by b is equal to 2. So we have to multiply both sides by 2. So we get like this: 2x by 2 plus 2y by 2b is equal to 2. Here what we have to do? Multiply both sides by 2. So these 2 and these 2 gets cancelled, and these 2 and these 2 gets cancelled. So which implies x by a plus y by b is equal to x by a plus y by b is equal to 2. Okay, multiply both sides by 2. So we get 2x by a, 2y by 2b is equal to, so these 2 and these 2 gets cancelled, and these 2 and these 2 gets cancelled. So we get x by a plus y by b is equal to 2. Question number 10. Point HK divides a line segment between the axes in the ratio 1:2. Find the equation of the line. Okay. Point HK divides a line segment. This point divides the line segment between the axes in the ratio. What is the ratio here? It is given 1:2. So find equation of the line. Let's do the problem. Solution. Let the line AB makes intercepts A and B on the axis. The point PHK divides it in the ratio 1:2. Using section formula, we can find coordinates of HK. So what is section formula? M1 x2 plus M2 x1 divided by M1 plus M2, and M1 y2 plus M2 y1 divided by M1 plus M2. What is the ratio here? 1:2. So 1 plus M1 plus M2. So M1 x2 is what here? X2 is 0. M1 is what? M1 1 into 0, m1 is 1 into 0, m1 x1 here, m1 x1. See, look at this picture. This is x-axis and this is y-axis. X-intercept is A and y-intercept is B. Okay, so we can find the coordinates of H and K using section formula. So 1 into 1 ratio is 1:2. So we can write 1 into 0. What is x2 here? X2 is 0 plus m2. What is m2 here? 2. What is x1 here? A. Whole divided by 1 plus 2. m1 is 1 and m2 is 2. So we can write like this. Then next one, m1. What is m1? 1 into y2 is b here. B plus 2 into y1. y1 is 0 here. Whole divided by 1 plus 2 we get. Isn't it? So we get 1 into 0, 0 plus 2a whole divided by 3 we get. Isn't it? Similar way we can get b plus 0 whole divided by 3 we get. Isn't it? So we can write, equate. We have to equate. We want to find A. We have to find A. So we have to equate 2a by 3 is equal to, midpoint is what? Which is equal to h we can write. X, value of x is here h. Corresponding value is h. So similar way we can find b by 3. B by 3 is equal to k we can write. Okay. Then next we can write, we want to find A and B we have to find. Okay. So we get from here, we get 2a by 3 is equal to h, b by 3 is equal to k. Next cross multiply it. So we get like this. 2a is equal to 3h. A equals, which implies A equals 3h by 2 we can write, isn't it? And similar way we can write B is equal to 3k we can write, 3k, isn't it? So we can write intercept form. Intercept form is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1, isn't it? So here x divided by a implies x divided by a. What is a here? 3h by 2. 3h by 2. Okay. Plus y divided by 3k. 3k we get, isn't it? Which is equal to 1 we get. So these two will go up, reciprocal of these. So we get, okay, taking the reciprocal we get 2x. Taking reciprocal we get 2x by 3h plus y by 3k is equal to 1. Then we have to multiply both sides by 3hk, by 3hk. So we get 2x by 3h into 3hk. So these 3h and these 3 gets cancel, plus y by 3k into 3hk. So these 3k and these 3 and this k will cut off, then 3hk. Okay, here we get 3hk. Then we get like this, 2kx plus hy is equal to 3kh. Okay, so which implies 2kx plus hy minus 3kh is equal to 0. Therefore, we can write, therefore, the equation of the line is what? 2kx plus hy minus 3kh is equal to 0.